جدیدترین سامانه پدافندی
For the first time in over 7 years, the United States deployed the B-2A Spirit nuclear-capable bomber to strike. Only the B-2 Spirit can carry the GBU-57, which weighs a massive 30,000 pounds, 14,000 kilograms. Some others wondered that the bomber could have dropped the Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM. The B-2 can carry a payload exceeding 40,000 pounds and has a maximum gross takeoff weight of 336,500 pounds, allowing it to engage a wide range of targets, from hardened bunkers to mobile enemy units. The B-2 Spirit bomber is the only long-range penetrating bomber in the U.S. arsenal that combines nuclear and conventional capabilities with stealth, long-range strike, heavy payload, and precision weaponry, making it a force to reckon with. The B-2's low observable technology allows it to evade the most advanced air defense systems. Its unique design integrates subsystems into a sleek, low observable airframe with reduced acoustic, infrared, visual, and radar signatures, making it one of the most survivable aircraft in the world. The employment of U.S. Air Force B-2 Spirit long-range stealth bombers demonstrate U.S. global strike capabilities to take action against these targets when necessary, anytime, anywhere. The wording has been interpreted as a signal to Iran, which is known for its underground military facilities. To protect its military assets from missile and drone strikes, Iran has built an extensive underground missile infrastructure, missile storage, command and control centers, air bases, as well as underground uranium enrichment and nuclear facilities. Meanwhile, Iran has Arman as a medium-range high-altitude air defense system designed to protect sensitive areas against aerial threats such as short-range ballistic missiles, anti-radiation missiles, cruise missiles, guided aerial bombs, helicopters, and drones. Some of the key features of the Arman air defense system include a response time of less than 20 seconds, 360-degree operational area coverage, the ability to engage up to 6 targets simultaneously, and deployment readiness within 3 minutes. A key innovation in the design of the Arman air defense system is the integration of radar and missile launchers in a single vehicle. This design, known as Transporter Erector Launcher and Radar, TELAR, along with the 360-degree coverage angle, increases the overall system's agility and enables a quicker response to emerging threats. As a result, one unit of the Arman air defense system consists of a radar-carrying vehicle and 3 vertical missile launchers. This air defense system is available in 2 variants, equipped with an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar for the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, Aerospace Force, and a passive electronically scanned array, PESA, radar for the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Defense Force. The active phased array radar of this system belongs to the Najm 804 radar family, and the passive phased array radar seems to be of the Joshan radar system. The Arman air defense system, with the mentioned radars, is capable of detecting 24 targets within a range of 180 to 200 kilometers. It intercepts targets at a range of 160 kilometers and engages with targets at a range of 120 kilometers. The maximum engagement altitude of this radar is 27 kilometers, and it has the capability to engage up to 6 targets simultaneously. As evident from the images, the Arman air defense system uses a triple missile launcher. According to available information, the Arman air defense system utilizes Sayed-3F missiles, which are the vertically launched variant of the Sayed-3 missile. The length of the Sayed-3F missile is 6.1 meters, its diameter is 40 centimeters, and it weighs approximately 1,000 kilograms. This missile has a range of 120 kilometers and a maximum engagement altitude of 27 kilometers. The vertical launch capability in this system allows it to fire missiles without the need to change the angle and rotate the launcher towards the target, significantly increasing the air defense system's responsiveness to threats. Additionally, the air defense system has the capability to increase the number of missiles. By default, one unit, TELAR, of the Arman air defense system is equipped with 3 vertical launch missiles. However, the air defense system can be connected to 1 or 2 missile carrier vehicles without radar, telephone, equipped with 6 vertical launch missiles.